Hello everybody, good morning. This is Fisherman Wharf in San Francisco, and look at this tram. Now this cannot be called a tram because, or is it really a tram? It looks like a bus, but because of the lines and the rail, I think it's also a tram, whereas their tram is called cable car. Oh. Have you ever thought why the platform is so high? Not sure what it's for, but the bus stop is here, or the tram stop is here. This station has a name called Beach&Jones, and of course I like this colorful one more. Pretty. Earlier on it was a all yellow one. This is along Jones. Looks like a terminal station and heading towards Jefferson.